In each of the following questions, a question is followed by the information given in 3 statements. You have to study the question along with the statements and decide which information given in which of the statements is necessary to answer the question. What is the 2-digit number? The number obtained by interchanging the digits of the number is more than the original number by 27. So we have a 2-digit number, and if we interchange the digits, it changes by 27. Well, we can have many such numbers, right? For example, we can have 36, we can have 63. 36, 63 is the same thing. 36, 63, and then we can have 58 and 85, right? Or if we really want to solve, we can say that 10x plus y minus 10y plus x will be 27. So 9 times x minus y is 27, or x minus y is 3. 2 variables, 1 equation, we are going to get tons of cases. Tons of cases means definitely more than 1 case. So 1 is not going to help us figure it out. So any 2 of the 3, all the 3, 3 and I, okay, let's check. The sum of the 2 digits of the number is 15. X plus y is equal to 15. Oh, if we use both of these, we will get the answer. X minus y is odd, x plus y is odd, so we will get it, right? Okay. So 1 and 2 together will give us. Now, if it was given difference between the 2 digits of the number is 3, that was a repetition of the first. So 1 and 3 is the same thing. And also third says difference between the digits. It doesn't say x minus y or y minus x. So any 2 of the 3 will not make sense. Okay. All the 3 is also not going to help, because we just need first and second to answer. Third and either 1 or 2, not going to help. Now we have to check between these two. What if we check second and third? So second says sum of the digits is 15 and the difference is 3. Difference is 3 means x minus y is 3 or y minus x is 3. We don't know, right? So there are going to be 2 possibilities if we take second and third. Second is one unique case, but third is going to give us 2 possibilities. So we can't have 2 and either 1 or 3. So 2 and 1 makes sense. 2 and 3, it doesn't. So C is not our answer. Our answer is B. If we club 1 and second, it will give us the answer. No other combination from the options will give us the answer.